Hello, friends. So, if you have been trying to start as a freelance writer and you think there is a lot of competition, this might be because you are providing services in categories that are very saturated. For example, you might be trying to provide services by writing articles and blogs, and yes, there is a lot of competition in categories like that, but there are many other categories that I want you to try. Suppose there is script writing. There is script writing, and there are different types of script writing. For example, people want you to write scripts for their YouTube videos. And if you can write engaging scripts for their YouTube videos, there are a lot of YouTubers that want people that are good at it, and they might want to work with you. On the other hand, there are many other categories. For example, you can start as a resume writer. Everybody needs a resume, and not everybody can write it well enough. So you can try as a resume writer. Then there are other categories. Suppose there is technical writing or grant writing. These are the types of writing. For example, different firms want you to write applications for them, and if you have that skill, they would definitely want to work with you, and there isn't a lot of competition in that category. Another category is copywriting, and there are a lot of different types of copywriting and many businesses need good copywriters that can write them engaging copy, and this is probably one of the highest paid skill. So I want you to try copywriting. If you are check it for yourself. If you are good at writing copy, you can learn it. You can actually learn to write good copy. Another category is writing for social media, writing for the social media of different people. You can, for example, if you learn a bit of management of social media, you actually can find good clients. Other than that, there is I would say SEO writing. You can try that. Another one is writing creative writing. In creative writing, you can write books for people. And for example, there is Amazon Kindle. People nowadays are writing books for Amazon Kindle, and they need ghostwriters. So as a ghostwriter, what you do is you go and you write a book on behalf of somebody else, but you do not get credit for that, and you are just paid for it. So you can write ebooks for people. There are many different categories. If you go for a quick search online, you will find a lot of categories. And one thing I would really recommend you to do is please make your portfolio. If you make your portfolio and you have some samples that you can present to people when you reach out to them. For example, let's suppose you want to reach out to your YouTuber and you want them to hire you as a script writer. First question they will ask you is, do you have any samples of your previous work? And this is called your portfolio. And if you have a good portfolio, it makes it very easy for you to communicate with people and show them their samples, and it makes it easier for them as well to judge your skills and provide you the initial gig or the initial task.